Okay, so I definitely wanted to give you guys an update on this oil, if it's something that I'm still using, whatever have you. So yes, I am still using Batana Oil. As you guys know, in my initial video, I purchased this product specifically for my hair, specifically, even more specifically than that, my scalp, because it provides moisture to your scalp and help give your hair just a more of a healthier appearance. And so you guys know I do wear a lot of protective styles, more so braids for a protective style. So it's just very important to me that I maintain the health of my scalp and the strength of my hair. And of course, we all want healthy hair growth. So yes, I am still using the oil. But let me show you guys exactly how much of this oil I have remaining from when I did the initial review. Okay, so here's the oil here. So just to kind of show you how much we have left, and I'm not sure. Okay, here you go. So we are roughly right here. It is here. Can you see it? Yeah, so it stops here now. So see how big the bottle is? So I'll say we have about half of this oil remaining. I do not apply it daily. I apply it as needed. So if my scalp begins to feel itchy, so if my scalp begins to feel dry and itchy, then I will go in and apply this oil and give myself a good massage with the oil to the scalp. But overall, so far, I'm still liking it. As of right now, I don't have anything negative to say. As you guys can see, when you look into my scalp, you can see that my hair looks pretty moisturized. For the most part, my scalp doesn't look dry. It too look moisturized. As you guys can see, I do have some hair growth with these spring twists. And I've only had these spring twists in for a short while, almost a month. So this is the hair growth that I have so far. Now these here in the very front, I did redo some of these. So there may not be a whole lot of hair growth there. And I only redid a few in the front because I didn't like the way that the twists were falling initially. But the ones in the back, I did not do anything with. So any new growth you see, that's truly about 3 weeks worth of new growth. So that would be right. But yeah, really like the oil, still using it. It doesn't affect me for when I go to the gym. It doesn't leave my hair smelling weird, and I do go hard at the gym. So yeah, no complaints so far, still using the oil. I cannot wait to take my hair down to see the final results. You guys already know where my areas are in the back that, you know, need just a little bit of work. You know, here and here. Still working on trying to grow those areas. I do try to make it my mission to give plenty of attention there. But yeah, everything is still good. So far, so good. I will continue to keep you guys updated on my progress of using Batana Oil. I hope this video was good for you. I hope you give me a great big thumbs up. And subscribe and join this Tulip Nation. And I'll see you Tulips in the next one. Smooches.